Today I hit max loss. I maxed out due to overtrading. I'm not proud with the way I traded today. It could have been a decent day, but I wanted more, so I kept trading and I maxed out. Luckily, my platform has a maximum total loss, and once I hit that number, I can't place any more trades. And that's what happened today. My platform kicked me out, so I couldn't place any more trades. So let's get to today's trades. It's actually too many trades. I think I traded a bunch of stocks. Started with MU. On MU, I tried shorting it, seeing these two. Seeing these two double tails. Tried shorting it. I got stopped out. And then my next trade was on INTC. I actually got chopped up on INTC, and I tried shorting it when I saw this indecision bar with but I got stopped out. Then I flipped my position and sold half and then sold the rest. So small loser winner. And then I traded it again. I shorted it, but once I saw the 9 EMA was holding, I covered some and then I took the rest off. So the third trade was a break even. And then after that, I believe I shorted it again once I saw these two topping tails. We made a new high, and then we made these two topping tails, shorted it. I was hoping to get to VWAP. I covered half at the 50 moving average, which also coincided with the 56 whole number. And once I saw this 50 moving average was holding, I took the rest off. So by now I was profitable on the name, but I kept trading it and I gave it back. So I went short right here. Once I saw that we couldn't really even test high of day, and we were making higher lows, went short because I really wanted to get to VWAP. That was my original plan, and I got carried away. I should have just left it alone and got stopped out. And then what happened? And I stopped out. I tried going, I think that was a hockey mistake, and that was on INTC. So 4 trades, two losers and 2 small winners. So pretty much gave back my profit on the name. I trade, so we already talked about MU, INTC. Tesla was probably my best trade. I should have quit trading after I captured a big move on Tesla. So on Tesla, where did I go long with Tesla? Okay, here we go. So on Tesla, we moved up. So Tesla announced its quarterly earning yesterday, and the stock was up 17%, I believe. So I was watching it for a second day play, and I went long right here when I saw this red bar closing in a bottoming tail, which is buying pressure, and the fact that buyers kept pushing it higher, I went long. And so I went long at 304. I sold half at 304.93, which is yesterday's high. Sold more at 307. So this was like a $3 move, and I should have stopped trading after that, but I kept trading because I was not happy with how much profit I had on the day, and the fact that I missed this entire move. I traded like a novice today. I'm disappointed in myself. itself. So I tried shorting Tesla once it made a new high, and I had this level from the daily chart, and it dropped. It went in my favor for about $3 or so per share, but I took small size, and my plan was to let it sell off to VWAP, and that didn't happen, and I was stopped out. So that was on Tesla. INTC, we already talked, or I already covered it. On BABA, I tried shorting BABA, seeing these two topping tails. We were at high of day. I tried shorting it. I was stopped out. But actually, this was a break even. Twitter was actually what did me in. Where's Twitter? So Twitter announced its quarterly earning yesterday, and the stock was down 20%. So on Twitter, once I saw this bottom and we were moving higher, I went long. But then I didn't like this topping tail, so I got out for a break even. And then I traded it, so I missed this entire move. I was right because my original stop was, well, actually, when I got it on Twitter, I went heavy, so my stop was here because I had a lot of shares. So I was pissed that I missed this entire move. And then once it came back to VWAP, I went long, but then once it started to sell off, I got out for a break even. And then I noticed this long bottoming tail, so I went long and it dropped on me. And I got out, and then I went long again, and then I got stopped out because I went pretty heavy in terms of size. And in fact, this was the trade that made me reach max loss. What else did I trade? VFC. This is unfortunate because VFC could have made my day if I had just held on VFC. I noticed that we were consolidating at VWAP, so I went long, and it went to my favor. So I went long here, sold half here, and sold the rest here once I saw this topping tail. And then it did the move that I thought it was going to do. It got to this level, and then pissed that I missed this entire move, I tried going long right here once we sold off to the 20 moving average and we popped up. I went long, but then I got stopped out. Here actually my stop was right here. I had a hard stop, but my stop didn't get hit, so I had to exit the trade manually. And then once I saw that we were coming back up, I went long again, and I just got chopped up on these two. And then I told myself if it gets to the 200 moving average, I'm gonna short it, and that's what I did, and I got stopped out. Traded Roku. Traded. Well, now Roku is doing the move that I thought it was going to do. So on Roku, where is it? So on Roku, we made a new high and saw that we were consolidating at these moving averages. So I went long, and I jumped out of the trade once once I saw this red bar, and then I got back in once I saw that we got above the moving averages again. And then once we lost the moving averages, I got stopped out, and now it's doing the move that I thought it was going to do. So yeah, I placed so many trades today. It doesn't feel good maxing out. I haven't maxed out in so long because I was so strict about sticking to a certain number of trades, which were 4 trades, but that wasn't serving me well. I thought I felt I should be more profitable. I was not satisfied with my profits with only 4 trades, and I have to find a fine balance, because I don't think the 4 trades is going to work, because with the 4 trades, yeah, it minimizes my loss on the days that I don't, on the days where I'm losing. But I see so many opportunities and I can't take them because I only have 4 trades. Or let's say I see an opportunity that could potentially work, but I don't take it because I'm hesitant, because I don't want to waste a trade on it. So I'm gonna have to find a fine balance. I'm thinking lower my risk per trade and place as many trades, but 1 trade, maybe 2 trades at a time, because today at some point, like, I was trading 3 stocks simultaneously. So maybe limit the number of stocks that I trade simultaneously to 2, and don't trade past 9 a.m. because today I traded past 9 a.m. and at 9 a.m. I was profitable, but I wanted to be more profitable, which led to over trading. So I'm gonna have to stop trading past 9 a.m. It doesn't feel good ending the day red. I'm gonna hold myself fully accountable for today's loss, and this weekend I'm gonna reflect, and I will be back on Monday. Have a good weekend. Peace.